Hi, I'm Jay, and this is the GeneralAire 1137 fan-powered humidifier. One of the common questions we get every year is, I have no water coming down my drain, so there must be something wrong with my solenoid valve. So I'm going to show you how to test to find out if that's true. Okay, so right now the furnace is running, the humidifier is on, and if you look inside of here, you can see the little fan is spinning inside, so we know this thing is running. But for some reason, there's no water trickling down the drain. Okay, so the way we're going to test that is we're going to turn the water off onto this line here first, and then we're going to disconnect it. So I'm going to have my assistant turn the water off first. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. Now we're going to disconnect this. I'm going to get a couple of wrenches out. All right, now we're going to put this in a bucket, and I'm going to have my assistant turn the water on. All right, so as you can see, we have good water flow. So we do have water here at this point. So now I'm going to have my assistant turn it back off. All right, now we'll reconnect it. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to have my assistant turn the water back on. Now that everything else is done, you can turn the water back on. Locate your saddle valve and turn it counterclockwise. Okay. Now that the water's back on, we should have water going through the valve, because we know we have water here at this point. We should have water going through the valve and up through this feed tube, through the pad, and trickling down here through the drain line. Again, we've verified the fan is still running. We have no water trickling down here, so apparently there's something going on with this valve. So now what we're going to do is, just for the heck of it, we're going to disconnect this side of the valve. All right, so there was still a little water in there from before. All right, as you can see, there's no water coming out of this, okay? We should have lots of water coming out of this pipe right now. It should be trickling out of there. There's none coming out. So what we've proven here is we do have water to the valve. The humidifier is running, as witnessed by the little fan in here spinning, but we have no water coming out of this, which means the valve is stuck closed. So the next thing to do is replace the solenoid valve. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.